Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Captain English, your friendly place to practice real, simple English every day. I'm Jessica, and I'm so happy you're here with us again.
And I'm Leo. Hey friends, grab a drink, get comfortable, and relax. Today we have a fun, easy topic, talking about what you like in English.
Yes, it's simple, it's useful, and it's something you can talk about with anyone. And don't forget, if you enjoy learning with us, like this episode, subscribe, and leave a little comment. It really helps our growing English learning family.
All right, ready? Let's jump in.
So let's start with the basics. In English, when you want to talk about things you enjoy, you can use the phrase, I like. Very easy, very friendly, very useful.
Exactly. I like is your best friend in conversations. For example, I like coffee. I like music. I like sunny weather. Simple, right?
Super simple. And you can also add a little detail to sound more natural. For example, I like coffee in the morning. I like music when I work. I like sunny weather on weekends.
Ooh, yes. Adding details makes you sound more like a natural speaker.
Now let's try something together. Repeat after me. I like. Good. Now add something you enjoy. I like. Great.
Okay, let's talk about something we all love. Food. Jessica, what foods do you like?
I like simple foods. I like fruit. I like warm bread. And I love pasta. Oh my gosh, pasta is my weakness.
Haha, same. I like pasta too, but I also like spicy food. For example, I like spicy chicken. I like spicy noodles.
You do like spicy food. I always see you sweating but still eating it.
Listen, suffering and enjoying at the same time is a lifestyle, okay?
Learners, you can copy our examples. Try to answer this. What food do you like? You can say something simple like, I like soup. I like rice. I like chocolate.
Yes, and beginners, don't stress. You don't need long sentences. Short is good. Short is clear. Short is powerful.
Now let's talk about hobbies. Leo, what do you like doing in your free time?
So many things. I like reading. I like walking. I like playing games on my phone. And I like watching cartoons. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Cartoons are awesome. I like reading too, especially in the evening. And I like going to quiet cafes and writing little notes or ideas.
That is so Jessica.
Learners, here's another pattern. If you talk about activities, use I like plus verb plussing. For example, I like reading. I like cooking. I like relaxing.
And if ing feels hard, it's okay. You can also say, I like to read. I like to cook. I like to relax.
Both forms are correct. Use whichever feels easy.
Now let's talk about places you like. Jessica, what places do you enjoy?
I like quiet parks. I like clean, cozy cafes. And I like libraries. The smell of books makes me happy.
You're so wholesome. Me? I like beaches. I like noisy streets sometimes. And I like supermarkets. Don't ask why. Something about rows of food makes me calm.
Learners, you can say, I like plus a place. For example, I like the park. I like the city center. I like my room. I like the mountains.
Okay, next part, people. Talking about the people you like.
You can say, I like my teacher. I like my friend. I like my coworker. Remember, like here means you enjoy being around them.
Jessica, who do you like spending time with?
I like spending time with my sister. She's funny. I like being with my best friend, and I like talking with my grandma.
Oh, cute. For me, I like hanging out with my cousin. He tells wild stories. And I like talking with my mom. She always gives good advice.
Now let's talk about strong likes. If you really like something, you can say, I love, or I really like.
For example, I love music. I really like ice cream. I love sleeping. I really like warm showers.
Yes, love makes the feeling stronger.
But don't say I love my pizza more than my family. People will worry about you.
Okay, sometimes you may want to say you don't like something. In English, be gentle. You can say, I don't like, I'm not a fan of. It's not my favorite.
For example, I don't like cold weather. I'm not a fan of loud music. Spicy food is not my favorite.
Very useful for polite conversation.
All right, let's practice with a mini conversation. Repeat in your mind or out loud.
I'll play a person. Leo plays a friend. Hi, what do you like to do on weekends?
I like cooking and watching movies. What about you?
I like reading and going for walks.
Nice. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Cool. I like music too.
See? Simple, friendly, easy conversation.
And you can use this in real life.
I like warm weather. I like having tea in the morning. I like quiet time before work. I like walking with my dog. And I love watching sunsets.
Okay, learners, your turn. Think about these questions. Do you like warm or cold weather? Do you like tea or coffee? Do you like walking? What do you love? Pause for a moment. Answer in your head or say it comments.
Let's repeat the sentences one more time so your brain remembers them. I like warm weather. I like having tea in the morning. I like quiet time before work. I like walking with my dog. And I love watching sunsets.
Let's review everything we learned today.
When you want to talk about things you enjoy, use I like.
For strong feelings, use I love or I really like.
For activities, I like reading, or I like to read.
For places, I like the beach. I like the park. I like my room.
For soft dislikes, I don't like. I'm not a fan of. It's not my favorite.
And you practiced food, hobbies, places, and people.
You did great today. Really? Talking about what you like is one of the best ways to connect with people.
Thank you for spending time with us on Captain English. We love your energy and your progress.
Before we go, here is your community question. What is one thing you like doing every day? Tell us in the comments. We read them all.
All right, friends. Stay happy, stay curious, stay learning.
And we'll see you in the next video.